What do you see? What do you see? So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate each and everyone that is trying their best to be viewing my videos and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Guys, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel and join the family. And if you're a returning subscriber, I really appreciate you. May God bless you. If you're Muslim, may Allah bless you abundantly, unconditionally. There is a lot of love for you in my heart. So guys, as I was saying, it's not that I was saying, oh my God, I'm on duty. I'm on duty, yes. So guys, I'm going to be analyzing gold so that we can find an entry, okay? So that we can find an entry today. We're gonna find an entry today, I'm telling you guys. You understand? So check, I'm in my car. No, actually it's not my car, my company car, and and I'm watching this gold trade at the moment. This is the 15-minute time frame, and as you know, I always wait for the let me first show you this. I always wait for the 15-minute candle to close above my liquidity zone with the body. So then I scale into the 3-minute, and as you can see, this is a very good bullish engulfing candle here, right here. But this does not give me good confirmation to buy. So what do I expect? I expect price to come. I expect price to come do this. You understand? I expect price to come do this, take out this liquidity here. Then after we scale in, look for confirmation to go up. So this is what I expect on gold at the moment. So I will update you. I will update you guys when this thing does what exactly I'm speaking. You understand? Because I don't want people to be saying what I said does not come to life. It's gonna come to life, and this is the proof. So apparently, what I'm waiting for is, if we are in a 15-minute time frame, this is the 15-minute time frame. As you can see, this is my liquidity zone. As you know, I always wait for price to sweep the liquidity zone and close with body above, like price did. So then after, I scale into the 3-minute time frame, right? I scale into the 3-minute time frame. Then after, what am I expecting? I'm expecting to get a bullish engulfing candle. There is this one big candle here, but this candle was not strong enough for me. So what I'm expecting price at least to come back, sweep this low, as you can see, then give us a bullish engulfing candle, then we enter. Or price to close above, price, let me mark out this, price to come and close above here. If price can come, then close with body above this red line, I can enter for longs, targeting one of these highs here, okay, one of these highs. So for now, let's just wait and see how this plays out. There is nothing to do rather than being patient. We can't do anything. We have to just be patient. So as you know, don't be trying to hit on me, guys. I know I'm handsome, I'm cute, but I have a wife. I'm married, happily married for 54 years. But anyway, as you know, we are waiting. I believe gold is going to come down, sweep out this low. After sweeping out this low, we can find an entry for buys. Though price has been creating lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So let us see if price can break one of these highs, then we can find an entry to long and gold. Yes, rather than that, peace, and thank you so much for being here for this long. Please, if you haven't subscribed down below, please subscribe, join the family, and if you like such content, hit the notification bell so that you can be notified next time I post a video, guys. So I'll be updating you about this trade, how it's moving, and if we find an entry, we shall find an entry. Peace out. Another thing, guys, let me just be precise about this. If at all price fails to break this low, like, you know, price is trying to find to sweep this low, as I told you, for double liquidity. So if at all price fails to sweep this low, and instead price gives us a bullish engulfing candle failing to break this low, if it gives us a bullish engulfing candle on the 3-minute time frame, that is my entry time frame, we can also enter from that bullish engulfing candle. So rather than that, let's wait and see its performance. Let's wait and see. Finally, price has swept our low. Sorry, it hasn't closed, the candle hasn't closed yet, but price has taken out this low. So if at all price can just come back and close above with a wick, well and good, we have an entry. But rather than that, we are not going to have anything. So all we wanted was price to sweep out this low, as you can see this low, then we can find an entry. But rather than that, if price does not give us a bullish engulfing candle after this candle, so we're hoping this candle closes red, then the next candle should seal off with a bullish engulfing. So let us see how, if this plays out well. Let us see how this plays out well. So if we can find an entry, if we find an entry, then we shall know what to do. But rather than that, let's just keep watching. Let's keep watching, okay? Let's keep watching. Please subscribe down below if you haven't subscribed, please. And hit the notification bell if you want to join this family, or if you like such content, just hit the notification bell. Rather than that, let's keep on watching the trade and the setup if it plays along with us. I'll update you if we get engulfing candle on this next candle. So what I've decided to do, guys, is to record this, because I want this candle to be formed when I'm recording it. If we fail to get an engulfing candle, then this setup or this trade is invalidated. So for now, as you can see, price is trying to give us the bullish engulfing candle on the 3-minute time frame so that we can enter a buy, but it is struggling. And when we fail to get that bullish engulfing candle on this next candle, the trade is gonna be invalidated. So, and I want to go to the washroom. So let us see how this plays out. And the time is saying 50 seconds. So let us see how this plays out. I want this candle to close bullish engulfing so that we can find an entry, and our stop loss will be just slightly below. If we lose, we set and forget. If we lose, we lose. If we win, we win. It's either TP or stop loss. Nice. So this candle has closed bullish. I'll enter my trade. I'll enter one trade here. Put my stop loss slightly below this low. Okay. Yeah, 2.7, 2.5 is not. No, 2.6 is not bad to risk. So let us see how this plays out. All right, so now let's leave the trade, and we shall be targeting one of the 15-minute time frame highs. Let's be targeting this liquidity above here. Let's be targeting, if you're risking 3, let's be targeting this high. As you know, on the 15-minute time frame, I target the high 15-minute time frame. Then we set and forget. Okay, so we are in this trade right now. As I told you, I'm dying. Let me leave the trade to run. I'm dying. I want to go and pee. Guys, watch the view. This is a beautiful view, guys. So let me go use the washroom. Right, so guys, let's check on our trade. Let's check on our trade and see how far. Things are not good. Things are not good, but I believe we're gonna be in profits very soon. So it's all about patience. It's all about patience. Let me see. Yeah, it's all about patience. Let's wait and see the performance of this trade, guys. Peace out. So guys, I don't recommend anyone to be to adjust stop loss or remove stop loss, but basing on how I trade on the previous video, I think the second previous video, as I stated, I mean what I stated, that I don't use stop loss because there's some things I follow and I know the direction of the market. Whatsoever may that the price can do, I believe it will go back to my advantage. So putting a stop loss is like risking my money for nothing, yet I know the direction of the market. So I removed the stop loss basing on me, but to someone, if someone needed as a signal, this is where I would put my stop loss, just below this week or slightly below this week, so that it's either to be on the safe side, because price can continue going down, as I told you. Yes, but to me, I know price we have to go back up. So price is still trying to stop loss hunt, but I believe it's going to continue up. So let us wait and see how it's going to perform. As for now, I don't have any stop loss running on my trade. It is not something I advise anyone out there to do, but basing on how I trade, there's some confluences or call it confirmations, that when I get them, I know price is going that direction. So I don't understand the reason why I should use stop loss, because whatsoever may, I know price is gonna go that direction. So it's like just wasting my money when I know what is gonna happen. You understand? Remember, I followed some steps before taking this trade. It's not that I'm just doing because I know that's why it's going. No, after getting all the confirmations, that's when I be confident in what I'm trading. So let's wait. I'll update you more about my trade, if it has gone to profits or not, if it has taken me out or not. So let us see how this plays out. Take care, guys. So far, this is how it's running so far. So we are in deep drawdown. Okay, we are in deep drawdown. So let us wait and see. Peace out. So guys, I was thinking of adding another entry. I was thinking of adding another entry on this bullish engulfing candle here, but it has rallied so fast. It didn't give me a chance, not even a small go down. I wanted to add in one more entry here so that we can start from here, then we can close the upper one. When price comes closer, we close the upper one, we remain with the down one. But there, it is what it is. It is what it is. So let's wait and see how it plays out. But that is what I wanted to do. I was looking for another bullish engulfing candle, enter one entry, then when price goes to the upper one, I close it and remain with it. That is how we manage our trades. You understand? So okay, I see price trying to retrace back to this other engulfing candle, so I might get a chance to enter another buy if it can retrace down at least a little bit more. Yes, there you go. Okay, so now I have entered another entry. I wanted around here. I have entered another entry, another buy on gold. So let us see if price comes back to this upper one. I'll close this and remain with the down one. Yes, me. So it is what it is. My account is in high risk, but I know what I'm doing is amazing. I have a lot of hope in this trade. Let's see how it plays out in a bit. I'll update you guys. Guys, basically this is what we wanted on our charts. Let me show you. This is what I wanted. Are you seeing? Our bullish engulfing candle, we entered one entry, we put our stop loss below here, but I removed it due because I know the direction where market is going to go. Then we formed another small bullish engulfing candle here. It left me, but when it retraced back, I entered a second entry. So as I told you, if price comes until this entry, the top one, I'll close it. I remain with the down one, targeting the 15-minute high. So that is basically it. Let's keep on watching. I'll update you guys. I'll keep updating you guys about this trade, and it's running very well so far. I want you guys to close this trade with me. I want you guys to close this trade with me so that we are on the same spirit. So it's just ranging around our entry, so let's close with some profits. Let's leave it to play around until it's in profits, and then we can close it. Okay, so like right now, yes, amazing. So now we are left with one trade which is running at the moment. Let's wait and see how this plays out now. Okay, so let us target this high. Let's put our TP on this high. Okay, let's put our TP on this high and break even. Let's break even. We are risk free at the moment now. We are risk free on this trade. Okay, we are risk free on this trade, and it's running very well. Though we have this supply zone, this supply zone can be a problem. This supply zone can be a problem. Where are you seeing this fair value gap? This is a good supply zone. So if I see any bit of rejection on that zone, I'm going to close manually. Okay, but rather than that, as you can see, there's some bit of rejection. Oh my god, so it's better to close here. I'll close yeah, I'm going to close. I'm going to close from here. Let us see. Oh no, I'm going to close. All right, so that is it with the day. 1.6. It's fair enough, better than nothing. But if price goes to the TP, I'm gonna feel a little bit sad, but there's a lot of rejection around this point, around this fair value gap. And as I told you, we are creating lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So price can just turn from here, from this fair value gap, targeting this low. But based on my strategy on the 15-minute time frame, we swept the 15-minute time frame liquidity, which is this. So I believe we are going bullish. We might break this high and continue up, which is not bad. Me, I've still made something out of this, so no complaint. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe down below. I appreciate those who are returning subscribers to my channel. Through supporting me is by liking and sharing and subscribing. I don't ask for anything more than that. If you can like or share or subscribe, I appreciate that. Yeah, let me show you one more time how this trade is running. It's really running ballistic. Wow, check, it's running very well, which is okay, guys. I have no any regret. As long as you've made some money in trading, just appreciate what you've got, because someone else out there, some people don't have the skills. Some people don't have the idea on how to make money out of this. If you have the skill, to make money out of trading, the rest of stuff that keeps you away from making money is psychology. Psychology is playing a lot of traders. Like me, I'm an example of people who are being played by psychology. I could have held my trade until TP. But fear of losing. But I didn't close like a beginner or a normal beginner could have done. I have closer to my take profit. This is where I closed from. It's just a few pips to my TP. So someone could have closed from below here. That is not good. That is a beginner trader. You understand? So I can be accountable to be a beginner trader, but I've been in this for 2 years. I think 2 years and 2 months, because November, December, 2 years and some few months. So yeah, this is how far we have come. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe down below, and if you like such content, hit the notification bell so that you're notified when next time I post the video. Okay, so any words of encouragement? It's never too late to start trading. But most of all, I urge you to first go for mentorship. Learn how to trade before you involve yourself into trading. Okay, there are free courses, there are free videos on YouTube that can teach you how to trade. Okay, if you don't have money to pay a mentor or to go for mentorship, there are a lot of free videos on YouTube that are training beginners guide for trading, forex trading, for you to how to start forex trading, beginners guide. A lot of videos on YouTube, and it's free. You understand? So that's all I can say. Just make sure you seek mentorship before involving yourself in trading. It's going to save you a lot of time. It's going to save you a lot of money. It's going to save you a lot of stress. You understand? That is basically how I started. So rather than that, let me wish you an amazing day, the rest of the day. Bye-bye. Guys, guess what? Guess what? If I tell you this, I want to gossip, guys. If I tell you this, check our trade. We left our trade from here. From this, are you seeing this candle, this bullish candle? We left from here. Price failed to sweep this liquidity before. It first rejected to downside, then boom, it passed our TP. It went for the next but right now I see a sell on this zone. But I can't enter. So guys, so as I had explained before, I know the direction of the market as long as it follows all my steps. That's why I explained, there's a video I explained. I will try to see if I can fix it somewhere here. In that video I mentioned, as long as price plays along with my trading plan according to my playbook, the direction of the market, I know it. I don't have to put stop loss. Actually, I don't use stop loss like how I said in that same video, because what I said is, me, I only deposit money I'm ready to lose. So if it is $2,000, I'm ready to take it. If it is $500, I'm going to deposit that, apply risk management, I don't over leverage, right lot size, then I'll leave it to run either to TP or stop loss. If I'm using a big account, it forces me to put stop loss to avoid losing the money, right? But if I deposit a certain amount of money in an account and I say this is the stop loss, normally I leave it to do what it wants, and it has done magic, it has done wonders to me. So guys, if you can also do that, it's gonna be amazing. So just imagine our trade is running. It is running very well. Okay, though I didn't take my full TP, I disobeyed my rules, my trading rules. So rather than that, let me say bye bye until the next video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified next time I post a video. Yes, peace out guys.